The overall goal of this procedure is to provide a simple and reliable method to treat Sialorrhea by botulinum toxin salivary gland injection in order to obtain a long-lasting efficacy and a limited rate of minor side effects.
This method can help neurologists and doctors involved in the treatment of Sialorrhea to improve their salivary gland botulinum toxin injection technique. The main advantage of this method is that through ultrasound guidance and simple rules of injection, it is possible to obtain reproducible and long-lasting outcome in the treatment of Sialorrhea and limiting potential side effects.
Generally, individuals new to this method will struggle because the use of ultrasound guidance may appear challenging and time-consuming. On the contrary, the easy ultrasound identification of the salivary gland and the possibility to inject the small submandibular gland led to the higher treatment success rate, widening the therapeutic effect duration.
Begin by placing the patient on the ultrasound table in the supine position with their neck extended. Use antiseptic to disinfect the skin in the area of the parotid and the submandibular glands. Next, turn on the ultrasound systems and press the Start/End button to begin the exam. Press the Probe button to select the high-frequency probe.